You will now begin your Tint Regrowth and Lightner Virgin application. You will have 20 minutes for both applications. You will begin with a chemical drape, which is one neck strip, two towels, followed with your plastic chemical cape. Ensuring that your cape does not touch the client's neck. You will begin by sectioning the hair into 4 quadrants. Making sure that as you clip each quadrant off, they are clipped with a plastic clip, not a metal clip, as this is a chemical service. You will now apply protective cream. You may do this with your finger. If you do it with your finger directly out of the container, your container must be labeled 1 use and be thrown away immediately. If it does not say 1 use, you will need to remove the protective cream with a spatula as not to contaminate the remainder of the product. Be sure the protective cream does not get in the hair and remains on the hairline and the ears only. When you are done with protective cream, you will throw away immediately. As you can see here, she is removing the labeled product into her tint bowl with a spatula. Be sure the 2 items are both labeled Tint Regrowth. Throw away immediately and proceed. She will begin in the front right quadrant with Tint Regrowth. She will apply all the way to the scalp and 1 inch out. Be sure you do not go past 1 inch of regrowth. She is applying to the top and the underneath side, taking 1/4 inch subsections. The top and underneath sides, only going from the scalp to 1 inch out on the regrowth. Be sure the entire 1 inch all the way to the scalp is thoroughly saturated, ensuring that no color gets on the face. You will now proceed by cross-checking vertically as you applied your product horizontally. As you cross-check, you are looking to see if there were any parts of the hair not thoroughly covered. This concludes the tint regrowth portion. It is of extreme importance that you remember they treat the tint regrowth in the next section as 2 separate clients. Therefore, you do need to remove your gloves and disinfect your entire area before proceeding with your Lightner Virgin application. However, you may keep your drape and your 4 sections on throughout. Disinfect your area, sanitize your hands. And then you will go right into your Lightner Virgin application with no pause in between. Your Lightner Virgin application will take place in the back right quadrant. You will apply new gloves. And once again, apply protective cream as described before. Be sure to throw away your protective cream immediately after use. And now remove your labeled lightener and place it into your tint bowl with a spatula, ensuring both containers are properly labeled. You will now perform your Lightner Virgin application. This application is going to be a 1/2 inch from the scalp, leaving it 1 inch off of the ends, applying to the top and the underneath side of the section, utilizing 1/8 inch or 1/8 of an inch subsections. Once your application is finished, you will again cross-check going vertically because you applied each subsection horizontally. You will be checking to ensure that the product is thoroughly applied. You will then remove all the items from your station, throwing away into your trash can. Removing your gloves, and disinfecting your entire area. You will leave the hair sectioned and the drape on for your chemical relaxing portion. Finish by sanitizing your hands